Welcome back to our channel once again. Today we are diving into the world of mini importation. The mini importation is a booming industry that is revolutionizing the way people do businesses. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and don't also forget to turn on the notification buttons for all so that you will never miss out on our latest content that we will upload onto this channel. Now let's jump right in. So I have a big question here that I would like to ask all of you, everyone that is watching this video, and that question is, what is mini importation? So if you know the answer, you drop the answer in the comment section of this video. All right, so let me quickly define the mini importation without wasting much time. So simply put, mini importation is the process of sourcing goods or products from overseas suppliers, typically from countries like China, and selling them in your local market for profit. So unlike traditional importation, which involves large-scale shipments and hefty investments, mini importation allows entrepreneurs to start small, often with a laptop and an internet connection. So that is the brief definition or the brief explanation of mini importation. So what this means is that you don't need much money, you don't need plenty money, you don't need huge amount of money before you start your mini importation business. You don't need a large capital before you start your mini importation business. You can start your mini importation business with 10 Ghana cedis. You can start your mini importation business with 15 Ghana cedis. You can start your mini importation business with 50 Ghana cedis, 100 Ghana cedis, and above. So you don't need to even rent any store. You don't even need to buy any land before you start your mini importation business. So that is the brief explanation of mini importation. So the mini importation business is one of the businesses that is fetching people money now. That is one of the businesses that you can do and you make huge profits out of it. In our previous lessons, I revealed to you some secret websites that you can use to buy and sell data bundles. So the data bundle business is also one of the profitable businesses that we have existing in the system. All right, so now let's look at the advantages of mini importation. What are some of the advantages of mini importation? So let's look at the first one here. Let's look at the first advantage of using mini importation. So first and foremost, it offers credibility, flexibility, and scalability. So what this simply means is that whether you are a stay-at-home parent looking to earn extra income or budding entrepreneur wanting to start your own e-commerce business, mini importations allows you to set your own pace. Mini importation allows you to set your own pace and scale your operations according to your resources and goals. So that is what the flexibility and the scalability means. All right, so let's look at another advantage of the mini importation. So another advantage is the low setup cost. Unlike brick and mortar businesses that required hefty investments in rent, inventory, and staff, mini importation can be started with minimal capital. So you can even begin with dropshipping, where you don't need to purchase inventory upfront, further reducing your financial risk. All right, so additionally, mini importation provides access to a wide range of products at competitive prices. By tapping into the global markets, you can find unique and high quality items that may not be readily available locally or that may not be available in your local market. So this gives you a competitive edge and opens up new opportunities for growth and innovation. So when you buy these products from the overseas countries, most of them, they are not available in our local countries. They are not available in our local markets. So when you buy them like that, you can easily get customers, you can easily get people that are in need of those products, and they will come and buy from you so that you can also make your profit. All right, so another thing that we are going to look at in this lesson is the importance of mini importation. Why is it necessary? Why do we need to venture into the mini importation business? So before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to turn on the notification button for all. Now, what are some of the importance of mini importation? So if you know this answer, kindly drop your answers in the comment section below of this video. All right, so now let's discuss the importance of mini importation in today's business landscape. So in a world where online shopping is on the rise, customers are constantly seeking new and exciting products. So mini importation allows you to meet these demands by offering a diverse range of goods that caters for the various tastes and preferences. Now, mini importation also fosters entrepreneurship and economic development. So what this implements is that the mini importation empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures and create sustainable sources of income for them. Whether you are a solopreneur or a small business owner, mini importation provides a pathway to financial independence and success for you. So that is why I always tell you that one of the businesses that you can make much profit from is the mini importation business and the data bundle business. All right, so lastly, the mini importation promotes global trade and collaboration. So by connecting buyers and customers from different parts of the world, the mini importation fosters cross-cultural exchange and mutual understanding. So this does not only benefit businesses, but also contributes to the growth and development of the economies worldwide. All right, so those are the few importance of mini importation. Those are the few importance of mini importation. So there you have it, a brief overview of mini importation, its advantages and its importance in today's business landscape. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful contents on mini importation and entrepreneurship. Please don't forget to turn on the notification buttons so that you never miss out on our latest videos on mini importation. Until next time, happy importing. Bye bye.